Good evening, friends. After a long time, I'm coming back to all of you to present and explain about one of the multi-bagger stock which has given ultimate return in the last few years. So this stock name is Nelcast Limited, and you can see the chart on the screen how the price was moving in since last few years. I think in 2020 the stock very fell down before 2020 and into the 2019 around the price fell down near to 25 rupees. But after that the stock is showing excellent return and moving toward 128 and multi-bagger return the stock has given. So now let me talk more information about this company. This company is from automobile and ancillaries, casting and forging. The market cap of the stock is just 1,117 crore, and the enterprise value of the stock is 1,316, which is higher than their market cap. And category of the stock is small cap right now, and you can see that this company's book value per share is 59, and earning per ratio, price to earning ratio is almost 20.7. Right now, the PEG ratio is not appearing, but dividend yield of company is paying 0.3. Now you can see here the performance of the stock. The company has given in last 2 year 100% return, but last 10 years company has given 500% return. If you read about some information about the how what is the company's fund basic establishment was the process. So you can see the company established in 1985, and since that company has showing excellent, significant participation in the ferrous casting product and industries, producing a superior quality casting for the many industries. Nelcast has also shown an out an astounding growth rate and growing 140 times of its original size, and its currently capacity 84,000 metric ton. So it plans to double their capacity in about next 2 years. So these are the some initial information about the Nailcast Limited. Now let's talk about the delivery of the stock. The delivery is showing 50 to 60%. If you talk about the monthly delivery, is also showing almost 50%. At present, there's a you can see all the updates here. Company is also paying consistent dividend of 30 paisa, 40 paisa per share. But you can see that the company is paying less dividends. Also good for this future stock future of the stock. Now, if you talk about the indicator right now, the company is showing negative and some lot of negative indicator. But please check with the technical advisor before taking any further position in the stock. Now, let's talk about the fundamental analysis information about this company as we discussed about this company from automobile and casting and forging. And you can see the market cap, which we have already discussed from a small cap. But let's see some website information of this company. So you can see that the company is producing some casting and forging information and providing to the large automobile industries. So if you should see that the company is having some manufacturing plant in the Andhra Pradesh and other places, and you can see here this company is providing the some casting product to the large vehicles, tractors, farm equipment, and they're also providing some highway and army equipment, railway product, SUV cars, powertrain. So this company is having a lot of good activity what they are doing for these whole automobile industries. Okay, and yeah, so you can see about this information and about this company. You can also see about the facilities about. You can see the companies having in Gundur, Poneri, some Tamil Nadu, some Andhra Pradesh. They are having some facility. Now, if you talk about here, like for face value of the stock is 2 just and dividend is 0.3, which we have already discussed. Now, let's see about the result of this company. If you go into the quarterly result on the standalone basis, you can see that company's there's overall sales is almost around 300 crore to now 320 crore in last few quarters. But EBITDA is also growing from 14 crore to now 25 crore. Along with company's other income is also improving, is from maybe is flat almost 6 crore to 2 crore in last few years in interest. So one of the important thing here is that the company is having some debt and they are paying the debt. But as I mentioned that every company, some company are converting debt into profit. So you have to see some kind of indicator like debt to profit ratio. Now, if you talk about profit before tax, one of the important information you can see that because of exceptional item last quarter of December 2023 of 17 crore, the company's profit before tax is showing 31 crore. And before this quarter, the company was 22 crore profit before tax. But earlier that company was having 7 to 8 or 9 crore profit before tax. Profit after tax and net profit is also showing very good improvement here from 5 crore to 25 crore. 25 crore for this current quarter of December 2023 is because of you can say exceptional item. Now, if you talk about the annual sales of this company, you will be surprised with the help of annual result. You will surprised that the company shares was 566 crore in March 2020. But nowadays, as per December 2023, even the March quarter not added, the company sales is showing 1284 crore, the exponential increase in the product selling of this company. EBITDA is also growing from 48 crore to 95 crore. Interests are also exponentially increasing from 12 crore to now 32 crore. So this is the one concern, but company may, and I'm sure the company is converting this debt into profit. And there are some exceptional items, 17 crore. If you talk about the tax, company is paying tax, but after that, company is creating good profit from 36 crore to 53 crore in last few quarter, few years. So those things you have to check carefully before investing. Now let's talk about the ratio. Ratio right now we are talking about consolidated basis. The return on equity is in 6 and return on capital employed is in 9, which is very excellent improved from the last year. And return on asset is showing 2.99. So these things are, you can say, it's not that much optimum in the whole auto industry, but it is also considered as a good because the overall auto industry is in a very improvement phase. Now, if you talk about the earning per share is showing 3.3 and price to book value is increasing slowly from 45 rupees to 53 rupees. And inventory turnover ratio is also 6.7 to now 7.98. And overall, you can talk about the working capital. So this is also, you can say, flat from 9 to 12, but earlier it was 24 and 20. So you can say the overall scenario for the efficiency ratio is also looking very good here. Here you can say all the EBITDA growth, net profit growth, EPS growth, all are showing in exponential and double digit for this company. And if you talk about the growth pattern, which is recently added by the stock edge, you can see that the company price is showing 47 and net sales increased by 5% as per the TTM basis, but EBITDA is showing 23% growth and net profit showing 25% growth. Excellent projection for this company. If you talk about the balance sheet here, you can see that 420 crore balance fund was shareholding fund were now showing 488. If you expand and you will see one of the positive information that the company's management never dilute their equity capital. Non-current liability and current liability are increasing, but along with that, if you see the current asset is also having company very good non-current asset. So non-current fixed asset also increased. Long-term investment they have increased to 11 crore. And if you talk about the current asset, how many things they are having, the inventory companies having inventory 163 crore. So they are going to receive from the market 288 crore. They are going to receive from the market 93 crore. They are having in the hand, cash in hand. So these are the some information. Net sales are also increasing from 567 to 1285. Along with that, companies also profit increase from 36 crore to 54 crore. They are maintaining healthy cash right now. As we discussed that they are having 93 crore cash in the hand. Now, if you talk about the shareholding pattern, the pattern is showing that the promoter is holding intact 74.87 and not selling a single piece of share. FII increased their position from 0.2 to 0.88. DII also increased from 0.64 to 0. So DII and FII is holding intact here. Non-institution is also holding 23.78%. You can see the promoter name. So these are the promoter name, PDPUC, which is having 39 to almost 50%. And here you can say foreign promoters also they're almost having 19% holding. So these are the board of directors. You can read about it. But now, if you talk about the mutual fund right now, no mutual fund is holding the stock. But if you talk about the fundamental scan, improve quality return on ROE has been improved for this company, and companies also paying consistent dividend. So these are the some key information, but I request you to all of you, please check with the advisor before taking further position in the stock. Thank you for watching this video.